Wildlife photography for me makes me feel like Shackleton. Well, maybe not Shackleton, but possibly one of his bootlaces. Each time I go out, I'm looking for the undiscovered, and in a small way, I do. When I'm hunkered down, sat motionless for longer than my body really wants me to, and then I see an animal. What I'm looking at that moment, wrapped in my own little discovery bubble, this moment is mine. Undiscovered by anyone else, never seen before, and at this exact spot, in this exact lighting, and this exact angle. Now tell me I'm not that explorer and discoverer of life. Today is early March, and the signs of spring are everywhere, from the smell of wild garlic in the air to the new growth bursting from the damp earth as if suddenly woken from a deep, deep sleep. Birds are busy nesting and calling out for the world to hear, and as the sun grows warmer and higher with each passing day, the muddy, well-trodden puddles begin to dry, slowly losing all signs of footprints left by humans or animal. I want to finish this video with a quote from a very famous individual, a statement to live your life by. Life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.